Hey everyone, it's me, Royce Yukino, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be talking about some tech that I recommend you if you want to use something for traveling or extra items for working in the office. The tech that I selected below is one of the new purchases that I've made recently. So let me mention the three top items I'll be talking about today, which is going to be another different portable monitor and a keyboard and a mouse. Now you can find, multiple variations, but I find that these products weren't that expensive and have really high quality and features. Oh, right. So the first thing we'll do. Alright, so I'm trying something new. So since we're at my room, because all the electronics are in this room, we're gonna just do all the testing in this room. So right here, we've probably got the peripherals in this box, and I'm gonna show you why I chose these. I mean, if you can't tell by the title. So in this box, I got the Macally silent wired mouse and the Macally Mac keyboard. Oh my god, it's a Mac keyboard. Oh god, it says Mac on it. Oh, actually, it'll probably work. Oh, let me see if you can see from there. We got the Macally Slim mouse. Oh wait, I should turn on the light. So here we have this. Oh my god, it says Windows, thank goodness. And then we've also got the Macally Mac keyboard. Apparently there's two versions of these, and they both say they work with Mac, and I probably bought the wrong one, so it might not work with my PC. But we'll see. Check that out. It's so thin. Look at that. Oh my god, it's thinner than Frosted Flakes, or I don't even know. It's not that thin, but yeah, I'm just gonna be surprised if it works on my PC. Apparently there was two versions. Let me see. Yes! Okay, we are not at a loss. So even though it says it's only for Mac, it works for my Windows computer. Yeah, I'm typing. Yeah, it feels good, It's like, I only bought this so for convenience of bringing it around places. And then we also have the mouse. So let me show you how that works. Why I got this. Because it's like my keyboard already on my desktop. Comes with an extra USB. So what I wanted was this Macally setup. They know what I like. So basically, you just plug this into the keyboard, and then you only have to worry about one peripheral at a time. You don't need to have that many, and you can also charge your cell phone. Like there's two USB ports on here. Let me show you. So you can bring this around everywhere with you. So you can have the external monitor, and then you go places and you want to extend your laptop or play your PS4, your Nintendo Switch, go to your friend's house, watch some anime on there. You just plug in your mouse right here, and then you can also charge your phone or something. I think this accepts data as well, so you can like do file transfers and everything, or plug in another external hard drive. You know what I'm saying? So you can do a lot of things with this. So, oh yeah, the mouse works too. Look at that. So yeah, this is basically the go-to setup right here. So I'm just gonna show you the other thing that I bought. Oh, I almost cut myself. Seriously though, why is everybody copying Apple's packaging? It's not superb or anything, it's just very minimalistic, maybe that's it. Maybe that's it, Apple has mastered the products of minimalism. That's what they appeal to. And the people that buy it are also minimalistic, so that makes sense. Ugh. Oh my god. It literally feels like I'm unboxing a new MacBook Pro Air or something. Look at this. Look at that. It's packed like an Apple product. Okay. So, oh wow. This is the whole screen and everything. And this is actually a bit heavier than the lapel, I think, by a pound or something. The lapel, I felt like maybe it was 3 pounds, but this definitely feels like 4 or 5 pounds for sure. This is almost the same weight as my Lenovo. And they give you freaking 3 free wires, so you have all the connectivity with you. Lapel also did the same thing. They gave you all the cables that you needed, so that's great. Ooh, I mean, you're paying $200 for this. I don't know how much it is now after recording this video, but you know, the prices go up every time I do a review on electronics like this, so you should buy it right now before the price goes up, man. I'm just saying. And then we've got the wall charger. You can optionally charge it using the wall if your device is not powerful, such as connecting this monitor as an extended external monitor to your cell phone, which is possible if it supports Type-C, which is probably going to be a lot of Apple products. All right off the bat, we've got a really nice carbon wrapped stand thing. Like, wow, it's super nice. Look at that. Let me show you on my camera. Whoa! Compare that to my face. Damn, that's freaking ugly compared to this. Wow. So you can see that. Super nice quality. Like, damn, son. And then inside, it's obviously just another monitor. Then we got the screen protector. I'll put that on later. But the cool thing about this one is it's attached to this by magnetics. Oh, that's awesome. See, that's the reason why I got this one, because I was gonna get the lapel again because it was so good, but then I saw the Newsoul and I was like, damn, a Newsoul deserves a new me. So I was like, oh, I'm gonna get the Newsoul. You can even put a Vespa mount, or you know, a Vesa mount on here. Look at that. That's sick. So if you wanted to, you can actually use this monitor and replace some monitor at work. Like, it doesn't even look that bad, honestly. So we're gonna try some applications on here or run one of our consoles. Alright, before we get into more of the monitor stuff, let me address a few more items that complement all these accessories. The fourth item would be an external SSD. As you can see here, I have the Samsung external SSD card. I would also recommend the SanDisk Extreme Edition SSD card, as both of these SSD cards have the capability of AES encryption to protect your data. And now the fifth and final item is, of course, any type of portable headphones or earbuds. Right here I have the Sennheisers and also my Sony's, but another good wireless earbuds would be Raycons, and I highly recommend them as many people have also offered them and had positive reviews. Now, this is pretty much the end of the video, and if you're interested in watching more of the monitor stuff for the Newsoul, go ahead and continue watching. Alright, anyways, if you're wondering why there is no sound coming out, it's because I did not install drivers yet for this graphics card. So I just wanted to show you some of the controls again. So right here, this, please just stay up. This is the back button, and if you press it again, you can also change the input. Now if you press this button, this brings up the menu as you already saw, and when the menu is up, you can use these two buttons right here to navigate it. And then you press the last button to go back. And now if you just press the buttons by themselves without any menu, that adjusts the brightness, and you just press this button to make it down, press this to make it up, and then you press the last one to go back again. And if you just press this button by itself, this one right here, that toggles the volume, and you can increase the volume up or down. And as I mentioned before, there's no sound because I don't have the drivers on this computer. And you close it. And then the last button up here just toggles the screen on and off. Now finally, I'm going to walk you through some of the quick tests of the monitor itself using legum.nl. You can also check it out for yourself. And we're going to do some of the viewing angles and all that. But in general, to cut this short, in conclusion, I would give the monitor a high good rating of 9 out of 10. The viewing angles are superb, and even the color depth is amazing. Check it out, and now I hope you enjoy the rest of this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you later.